Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thanks for supporting us. Now, we'll show you how to install the new switch step by step, ensuring your reverse lights are back in action in no time. Installing the new switch. With the old switch out, you're ready to install the new one. Here's how. 1. Position the new switch. Place the new switch where the old one was removed. 2. Secure the switch. Screw the bolts back in to hold the switch in place. 2. Ensure it's tightened securely. 3. Reconnect the wiring. Reattach the wires to the new switch. 3. Double-check that each wire is connected properly. Making sure the new switch is secure and the wiring is correct is key to it working properly. Testing the new switch. Before you finish up, it's important to test the new switch to ensure everything is working. 1. Reconnect the battery. Hook up the battery terminals to restore power to the vehicle. 2. Test the lights. Shift the car into reverse and check if the reverse lights turn on. 3. Check for issues. Make sure the lights don't flicker or stay on continuously. Testing the new switch ensures that your repair was successful and your reverse lights are functioning as they should. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to replace your reverse light switch with confidence. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in car maintenance. Troubleshooting common issues after installation. After you've installed your new reverse light switch, it's critical to ensure everything is functioning as it should. Sometimes, problems can pop up even after you've done everything right. Here's how to troubleshoot common issues that might arise. Reverse lights still not working. If your reverse lights still aren't working, don't panic. Let's walk through some key areas to check. 1. Check the connections. Ensure all electrical connections are tight and secure. 1. Look for loose or disconnected wires. 1. Reconnect any wires that seem out of place. 2. Inspect the fuses. Locate your vehicle's fuse box. It's usually under the dashboard or in the engine compartment. 2. Check the fuse related to the reverse lights. 2. If it's blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. 2. A blown fuse often indicates an electrical problem, so keep an eye on it. 3. Examine the new switch. Sometimes, even new parts can be defective. 3. Double-check that your reverse light switch isn't faulty. 3. Use a multimeter to test the switch. 3. When the car is in reverse, the switch should show continuity. Checking these areas systematically can help you narrow down the issue, ensuring your reverse lights get back to working order quickly. Intermittent lighting issues. Intermittent lighting can be frustrating. It might work one moment and then stop the next. Here's what to look for. 1. Wiring problems. Inspect the wiring for any signs of wear or damage. 1. Look for frayed wires or exposed copper. 1. If you find any damaged wiring, replace it. 1. Electrical tape can temporarily fix minor issues, but replacing the wire is safer. 2. Loose connections. Loose connections might cause your reverse lights to flicker or work intermittently. 2. Check all connection points to ensure they are snug and secure. 2. Gently tug on the wires to ensure they're properly connected. 2. If they come loose easily, they need to be tightened. 3. Ground connections. Poor ground connections can also cause intermittent issues. 3. Locate your vehicle's grounding points and make sure they are clean and secure. 3. Use a wire brush to clean any corrosion off grounding points, and reattach the grounding wire firmly. Intermittent problems can be like finding a needle in a haystack, but these checks can often resolve the issue. By addressing these common issues, you can ensure your reverse lights function reliably, keeping you safe and visible on the road. Maintenance tips for prolonging switch lifespan. Maintaining your reverse light switch and related components can save you from future headaches. Simple, proactive measures can keep the switch running smoothly. Here's how to do it. Regular inspections. A little attention goes a long way. Doing regular checks can nip issues in the bud before they become big problems. 1. Monthly checks. Inspect the reverse lights at least once a month. 1. Make sure they turn on when you shift into reverse. 1. Look for signs like flickering or staying on continuously. 2. Visual inspection. Look at the switch and wiring for visible damage. 2. Check for frayed or exposed wires. 2. Ensure connectors are tight and secured. 3. Listen for weird noises. Listen for clicking or buzzing sounds when in reverse. 3. Strange sounds can signal electrical issues that need fixing. Regular inspections help you catch small issues before they become costly repairs. Think of it as a checkup for your car, just like visiting the doctor to stay healthy. Protective measures. To make sure your switch lasts long, you should consider some protective strategies. 1. Waterproofing. Use silicone sealant around the switch to keep out moisture. 1. Purchase waterproof connectors for added protection. 2. Rust prevention. Apply anti-rust spray on metal components to prevent corrosion. 2. Maintain a clean area around the switch to avoid buildup that can lead to rust. 3. Avoid harsh chemicals. Keep cleaning chemicals away from the switch and its connections. 3. Use mild soap and water for cleaning if necessary. 4. Covering up. Use protective covers or boots to shield the switch. 4. Especially useful in harsh weather conditions or off-road driving. These protective measures ensure that your reverse light switch isn't exposed to elements that can cause it to fail. It's like wearing a raincoat on a stormy day. A bit of protection can prevent major damage. Maintain your reverse light switch with these simple tips to enjoy a longer lifespan and fewer problems down the road. Replacing a reverse light switch isn't complicated but ensures your safety and compliance on the road. We've covered everything from understanding how the switch works to troubleshooting issues after installation. A working reverse light switch is crucial for notifying others when you're backing up, helping to avoid accidents and fines. Take action if you notice any signs of malfunction. Stay safe out there and make those necessary repairs promptly. Happy driving! Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.